Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable secure boot in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, before we disable our secure mode in our PC, we need to make sure that is it on or not in our PC. To check, type here system information just like this and open it. Here you will find the secure boot state. It is on in my case, so we are just going to disable secure mode. So just close this and type here recovery options. And now here we need to open recovery options, and here you will see the advanced startup option. We need to hit on restart now. Again click on restart now, and once you do that you will see that your PC is restarting. And once your PC restarts you will see this screen, and here we need to click on troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, and here we need to click on UEFI firmware settings, and then just hit on restart. So it will again restart your PC, and now you will see that you are in your BIOS, and from here we can easily disable secure mode in our PC no matter what motherboard or what BIOS you have. So first of all, we just need to see the option for advanced, which you can see in my screen. We just need to click on advanced, and here you need to find the option for Windows OS configuration, which you can see right here. So we just need to open it. So you just need to find this option as well in your BIOS, and once you find it, here you will find the option for secure boot for sure. So we just need to click on secure boot, and yeah, it is the option to enable or disable it. So we just need to click on enable. This is the option for secure boot, so I'm just going to set it on disable. And once you do that, just close the BIOS by hitting on the cross sign, which you can see at the top right hand corner, and here we need to click on save. And yeah, that's it. Now you can see our PC is restarting, and once your PC restarts you will see that your secure boot is disabled. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can disable secure boot in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.